All right, what's up everybody? Another day, another property home tour. If this is your first time tuning into this channel, my name is Chakits, Krulsawat with Simply Vegas. I am a licensed real estate agent out here in Las Vegas, Nevada, bringing you another property tour. This is the only channel that has more than 2,000 video home tours. That's right. Now today we're going to be touring this property right here. The asking price is $585,000. It features 2,421 square feet, 4 bedrooms, a den, and also a loft. This home was actually built in 2021 by TriPoint. Now TriPoint is one of the home builders. They like to build more of a modern style home. So today, the home is actually located just west of the Las Vegas Strip and also the 15. I don't know if you guys can see this down here where all the cars are at coming on right there. You see those trucks down there. I don't know if the video is picking it up, but right there's the 15. You have Harry Reid International. As you can see, the planes right there is flying. Less than 15 minutes strip, less than 15 minutes. Your grocery shopping and all that stuff. You can actually head down north down this road, right off of Decatur. You'll hit Blue Diamond. Ample shopping. Here's your cluster mailbox, which is really nice right here in front of your house. Okay, the sun rises here, sets on the west side off to the side of the house. This home right now faces north. I said right now like it's going to change, like come on now. The HOA's on here. Okay, HOAs are $43 I'm sorry, $47 a month. Property taxes is $4,847 a year. So I think that's a pretty good price. Now this home, like I mentioned, was actually purchased in 2021 because that's the time it was actually built. Now this home right here looks like the owners bought it for $476,364. There's a 2-car garage. We're gonna go inside, we're gonna analyze this home together. However, I'm going to get rid of this iPad for a second, lock up this car, and we're going to go inside, show you exactly what's going on. Alright, so this one's a little bit unique because if you notice, the entry to the house is on this side and the garage is over here, so it's kind of separate. It's not like where you have a door here, then your garage here. Now your AC unit is exposed to the front of the house. These are Bryant AC units. What I like about this is you actually have 2 air conditioned units, one for the second floor and one for the first floor, so that's great. You have some nice terracotta, some pavers. Love these straight pavers here. Now during the build time, one of the upgrades and options that you were allowed to do was actually have this front gate here, which is really nice. So this is kind of like your side courtyard, okay? You can do some plants here. Now if you notice, right now it's about 5:20. Sun rises in the east, sets in the west. So the home is going to block all this, so you're going to have a lot of shade like this, and it's about 5:30, so this is really nice. So just imagine have some sort of canopy right above here. You also have like some chairs. You can do a water feature here, would be really nice. Just kind of hang out. This is more like a zen area. Then we also have access to the backyard, which the backyard is complete with synthetic grass and some light trees, which is really nice. Now coming into the property, through this 8-foot door, we do have 10-foot ceilings, which is nice. And as you can see, this is completely open. This home has never been lived in, which is really nice. Now, you know what? I said it's never been lived in. However, that's false information. How do I know this? Is because I can just tell by the color of the grout tile. I can see where the foot traffic is at. The reason why I said never lived in, because this thing looks so clean and so brand new. Looks like a model home. So your formal dining room area is going to come here. And one indicator to let you know that this is a TriPoint home, because TriPoint is the only builder that will run its outlet linear, which is really cool. These are the actual standard cabinets that actually came with it. Okay. 42 upper cabinets. Now these are some full overlay cabinets here. There are different style for full white shaker cabinets. However, these are still pretty cool. Now, the appliances, these are going to be the Whirlpool package appliances. Under mounted sink, this is a dual basin here. Some of the stuff they did do upgrade, some of them they didn't. During the time of the build, this was actually the stock and standard. You did get the upgrade push button here. This island here is 8x6, so it's a really decent sized island. What I do like about this granite here, it is all one piece. As you can see, it sits 4 chairs. We do have the 18x18 porcelain tile. Additional counter space here, 24 and 12 inches on the depth. Then we have the LG refrigerator, 3 inches casings around the door. Then we have some brushed nickel hardware. Pantry, you have 5 shelves here. Now I do see some paint touch-ups. As you can see, they are some different sheens here, as you can see. Okay, something definitely you would have to fix. We do have our 1-in-1 here, outlet here, so your couch would go here, which is really nice. The floor plug, so you can run your lamp. Okay, definitely TV go here. Here's your 2-car garage. Let's see what we're working with the garage. Wow, the garage has been epoxied. Love that. Now this is great for the price. The epoxy definitely smells fresh. Now there's something I want to show you here. As you can see, you see this line? Okay, this is where that threshold is, the weather stripping, right? For your garage. Okay, some builders will take this concrete all the way out to here, past the weather stripping. This is something that you need to take a look at, because here's why. If you took this concrete all the way past this weather stripping here, okay, and you epoxied your floor this color, imagine having this outside. So your garage door would shut here, this epoxy would come out here, and it just looks very strange and odd. Now, if that is the case, where your concrete comes out to here, right, then your brick starts from here. Then at that point, you need to make sure you epoxy this brick color, right, somewhere the same color. Here's why, because if you do that, your HOA sees that, you may have to re-epoxy your floor. So just keep that in mind. Just a quick tip. We have a water filtration system, which is really nice, or soft water, I do apologize. Here we got the tank water heater, Focus Plumbing, still under warranty. So the home was recently built. Make sure to ask for the manual for the warranty, and make sure that warranty will be transferred over. You know what, let's just go straight to the backyard here. You have a nice 12-foot center slide. They definitely upgraded the concrete here, added this covered patio. Now this wall is a little bit short. I definitely would add a couple more bricks. That's something that you would have to get approved by your HOA. That may be an expense that you would have to pay. Now, if you do something like that, you may have to put a deposit just in case you don't finish out the project. So we have some river rock here on the side, retaining wall stops here, and then we have low trees here and there. Alright, backyard is really nice with all the synthetic grass. Oh, forgot to mention, there's actually a gas stub right there. That's about $400 to $650, depending on which builder you go with. Try doing that aftermarket part. Ooh, that's going to be very costly. Alright, so right down here, we have a bedroom downstairs, which is really nice. Let's go take a look at it. I can tell you already 6'8" on the door. This is a 2-panel door here. This bedroom is actually the front of the house. However, this is more of a smaller bedroom. This is probably 11 by 11. Your half height is going to be right here off to the side. Now, you only have one light source here, which is your ceiling fan. But if you add your lamp light for your half height, you'll be just fine. Here we do have some standard blinds here. This is apartment grade blinds. However, they're good enough. Now, this is great for like a mother-in-law suite. You do have your Cat 6 right here, or actually your phone jack. Okay. However, you can use that as a Cat 6 too as well. Here's the bathroom. We have a full bath, which is really nice. However, this is where your guests will also use the bathroom as they come by and check you out. Fiberglass tub shower combo. This is an aqua tub. Now here, this is an additional glass door frame that was actually upgraded during the time of the build. 36 on the high cabinets, undermounted sink, and they did the upgrade on the Moen faucet too here as well with the Petrofina countertops, and then we have the standard maple cabinets. All right, we're gonna go ahead and turn this off. We have orange peel texture again along this wall. What you'll see is a lot of paint blemishes as far as touch-up paint. Okay. Here we have some additional storage underneath the staircase, which is really nice. Here, not too sure what we do, some sort of something feature wall or something here. All right, so coming upstairs, we've got about 3-4 steps before we hit this landing. Now this is the synthetic carpet, the most generic carpet that you can have. However, I understand it is what it is. Carpet is very expensive, not too great on the padding. Now one of the options in upgrades during the time of the build, you could have did a rail here. Here's our primary. Then we have another bedroom here. This bedroom's up in the front of the house. As you can see, there's a lot of light that's coming through this bedroom here because you do have this linear. The sun is coming in on this side, so a lot of your sun exposure is going to be over here. That's really great. So this would be really nice for an office for sure. Door's a little bit crooked here, has to be rehung. A little bit touch-up paint here. Straight edge on the cornering. Right down here we have 2 more bedrooms. So we have bedrooms number 1. Let's take a look at this. Okay, as you can see, we don't have nothing but just the ceiling fan for your light source. Your closet, we have 3 doors here. The one that slides down the center. And then again, the room is going to be on this side. However, if you notice, this room is a little bit darker, even though it's in front of the house, because you have this house right next here is blocking it. That room up in the front, there's nothing blocking it, so a lot of sun is coming through. Something to keep in mind. We do have 9-foot ceilings on the second floor here. Off to the left, we have our bathroom. Upgraded a second sink, undermounted sink. And we got some more windows. This is very unique. Tub shower combo. Here's your toilet right here. And then just a regular shower. Then we have our linen closet. Now also, if you guys have not had a chance to subscribe to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. I know today I'm wearing all the jewelry, like the bling bling, you know what I mean? But don't worry, this is all fake, so it is what it is. Trying to look cool like a rapper. Alright, so we have the washer and dryer. Washer and dryer is definitely included. If not, we can always negotiate it. Looks like we have some air filters, some leftover. These are 20 by 20 by 1 inch. Your attic access is right here. It looks like they added, they access, I can't even say it. Help me out, guys. There's the attic access. Looks like it has been access. Oh, I don't even know. Let me know in the comments below. I feel so stupid right now. I'm such a big dummy. They access the attic. There you go. So this is a pretty large primary, as you can see. However, one of the upgrades that they didn't do, which I really wish they would have done, was add at least 4-can lighting versus just a ceiling fan. Because the problem with these type of ceiling fans and light, right, depending on the type of light, the LED light, how far does it shine down and how far does it illuminate out. Some may only cover about 4 feet, some may cover 6 and 8. The further it goes out, the less light that you have. So on this one right here, the circumference on it covers about 8 feet for each LED light. So for this size of the room, you need at least 4-can lighting. See, these are things that people just don't know about when they build a home. That's the reason why you need to hire an expert just like us, okay? Love the fiberglass piece, one-time fiberglass tub shower here. However, you had the option to clad this and do 1 shower. The good news is that all the plumbing is here. If you wanted to add that now, you could literally do that yourself for a fraction of the cost of what the builder would have charged you. This is the spec that I would have just left and went back in myself and do aftermarket with my contractors for a fractional of the cost. Now, again, this is something that we do offer you guys, and we can help you guys as well. Like right now, we're currently building a home with Toll Brothers. We're doing everything all stock and standard, and basically we're going to save about 30%, okay, of what the builder would have charged us. So the builder, we're doing stock standard. It's Toll Brothers. At that point, we're going to have our contractors go in. We're pretty much demoing everything, ripping everything out, and we're going to start from scratch. Now, I'm curious to hear what your guys' thoughts are about this property. I think it's a very cute property for the price. Location is great. If you're going to rent out this property, you probably get about $2,300 a month. These are more stable areas to rent and potential for future growth. A lot of you guys are thinking that the market here in Vegas is slowing down. Unfortunately, it's not. I mean, I wish there would be a crash, but there's just no crash at this time. But, you know, drop a comment. I mean, let me know if you think this market is going to take a dive, because people have been talking about this for like months and months. And this thing has not crashed yet, which is kind of crazy to me. And I can tell you, beginning year was very slow, and, you know, I was a little bit nervous, but, you know, that's the thing about real estate. It's very volatile. It just goes up and down, especially in a trendy city like this, Las Vegas, right? This is like one of the new metropolitan areas here across the United States, and it's very hard to predict. Now, one negative thing I see is, look, you can hear the airport noise. See this? As planes are landing. For me, it's not a big deal because I'm a city guy. Now, if you guys find this information valuable, I would highly encourage you to subscribe to the channel, because a lot of you guys have not had a chance to subscribe to the channel yet, which is, I don't know why. Hit that subscribe button, because it really does help this channel out. Also, most importantly, if you're thinking about purchasing a home here in Las Vegas, there's nobody as good as I am, all right, that's going to help you through this purchasing process. I literally got your back. I have a passion for real estate. This is what I love to do, okay? And this is all I know. This is all I do 7 days a week. I mean, it's almost 6 o'clock and everybody's gone home. Now I'm here still shooting homes. This is what we do, okay? All right, guys, thank you so much. I wish you guys nothing but the best, and be blessed, folks. If you guys want to check out all our video home tours, we have over 1,800 video home tours. Just go ahead and click on this video right here. If you guys are in the market and you want to purchase a home and want to get started, visit lvhomeexperts.com. Scan this QR code right now. Also, if you guys just love real estate and want to get into real estate, go ahead and subscribe to our second channel. Until next time, peace.